So currently I'm in my WordPress website. Now I will show you how to add restaurant menu in WordPress website. Go ahead and open this website, elfsite.com. This is very popular website where you'll get lots of free widgets for WordPress website. Okay, if you're first time here, make sure to create a free account and then log into your account. Now go to widget and here click on the search widget box and type here menu, and as a search result here you'll find the restaurant menu widget. Select this, and here this website provides bunch of different restaurant menu templates. You can pick any of them. So let's select this family restaurant template, and here we can see the preview. So go ahead and select a template. In my case, I'm selecting this fast food restaurant template, and now click on continue with this template. And now we have to edit and customize this restaurant menu template. So here select menu, and as you can see, bunch of different menus are added already. To edit an existing item, click on the item, and here you can change the title. So here is the title. If you want, you can change title from here, and you can write a caption. So this is the caption. And now under this menu here we can see bunch of different items. So here we can see all items. Now to delete any item, click on this three dot, click on delete, and the item will be deleted. And to edit any item, click on edit, and here you can change the item name. You can add a caption. This is caption, and you can also change or upload a new image for the specific item. And here you can add a badge. You can so all you have to need, go ahead and edit all of these items one by one. And after that, click on this option, and here you can change layout just like so. You can also enable or disable image description price badge to display. And now once your editing finish, click on add to website for free, and here click on publish, and here select the free plan, and here we can see the embed code. So copy this embed code for the widget, and now go to your WordPress website admin dashboard, and let's create a new page. Page title, I'm giving here menu, and here click on this add block and select custom HTML block, and here paste your embed code for the widget and click on publish the website. Here we can see my menu is showing now through the widget. Going to burgers tab, and here we can see it's working perfectly. Let's go to snacks and sides, and let's click any of the item, and here we can see pop-up and lightbox working perfectly. So that's how we can easily add restaurant menu in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching.